Hey guys, so if you have ADHD and you're tired of not being able to get things done, your brain is scattered, especially if you're an ENTJ with ADHD. This is for ENTJs with ADHDs and a little bit of autism. I'm building this open source app that basically helps you keep your goals, your short term goals, aligned with your long term goals. This is a very personal problem that I have. Uh, basically, Google, Elon Musk, and Steve Jobs signal to noise ratio. Basically, it means that there's a lot of noise, distractions, things that don't move the needle, don't make you money, don't get you successful, happy, etc. And you gotta cut all that fluff out, and you have to focus on one thing. Problem is that our brain is hardwired to scatter and to think of millions of different great ideas every day. And that sucks because execution is the name of the game. So I'm building this, and it's gonna have this AI drill sergeant that's gonna tell me very strictly to stick to the plan, stick to the long-term goals. Every short-term goal must align with the long-term goal, and cut the noise, and also sprinkle in good entrepreneurship advice. So this is what I'm building. Let me know if you guys think this is valuable or if it's like a fluff. Um, I think it's gonna change my life. I hope it changes yours.